In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice using our system with clear instructions to guide you through each step of the process. Whether you're a small business owner or managing invoices for a large corporation, mastering this task can streamline your workflow and ensure everything runs smoothly. To get started, you'll first want to go to the Plus New menu. This is where you initiate the creation of a new document. Once you're there, select Invoice. This is like opening a fresh canvas where all the details of your transaction will be recorded. You're setting the stage for the transaction, so make sure you approach this step with the understanding that accuracy is key. Next, it's time to enter the relevant details. Start with the customer information. It's crucial to ensure that all the customer details are correct. This will likely include the name, address, and contact information. Accurate customer data ensures the invoice reaches the right person and helps your records remain organized. After entering the customer's details, proceed by adding the products or services you're billing for. Be precise here. List the items exactly as they appear or were provided to your customer. Include descriptions, quantities, and most importantly, the unit price. Providing clear and detailed product information can minimize confusion or disputes later on. Now you'll want to fill in any additional details necessary for the invoice. This might include due dates, payment terms, or any specific notes you want your customer to see. It's a good idea to check whether your company logo and other standard elements are present, as these lend a professional touch and help reinforce your brand identity. Once everything is filled out and you're confident that all the information is accurate and complete, it's time to save your work. By hitting Save, you ensure that all your diligently entered details are securely stored in the system. Double check your work here. It's always better to catch any minor errors before sending than to deal with them after the fact. Lastly, go ahead and send the invoice to your customer. Usually this involves using the send function directly in the software. Many systems offer the option to email your invoice instantly, making delivery faster and more reliable. After sending, take a moment to confirm that the invoice was dispatched successfully. It's always a good practice to have a copy sent to your own email or a designated archive for record-keeping purposes. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating and sending an invoice. With consistent practice, these steps can become second nature, making the invoicing process a smooth and integral part of your business operations. Thank you for joining me today, and happy invoicing!